Guys, in this slide, I'm going to explain how to find the domain and range of a given figure. Okay, so domain means remember all the x values, all the x values. So when we are talking about the x values, let me draw a fat x axis or maybe a bold x axis. Okay, let me draw little thick x-axis. Okay, now try to draw the given figure on the bold x-axis. So if I'm drawing, this is something similar to this one, right? Now let us think of the number line. Let us think of the number line. We know that 0 here, then plus 1, plus 2. Let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? And the ending is the infinity, so there is no ending. And the left side, it is -1, -2, -3, and so on. What is the ending point means this is also negative infinity. So what is domain means, we have to consider taking all the values of x. So I see that here the starting one is negative infinity and the ending one is positive infinity. Do you see that the numbers they keeps going? This arrow mark indicates that it goes on, it goes on, it goes on. So what is the ending point means that is positive infinity, and this side it is the starting one is negative infinity. Okay, so the domain is going to be, this is going to be negative infinity, that's the starting, and ending one is positive infinity. Okay, now coming to range, we all know that range means we have to consider taking all the y values, right? So all the y values means, let me draw a bold y axis. Let me, oops, sorry. Let me draw a bold y axis, something similar to this one. So the vertical one represents the y-axis, so I'm drawing the y-axis. Okay, then let's try to accommodate the given diagram on this one. Okay, so it's something like a W shape, right? W shape. And what is the lowest value? What is the lowest value here? If you are looking for the lowest value, in fact, it is we don't have any numbers, so let's refer to this one. What is the lowest value means it is, I see that it is -16. I see that. See, I'm trying to accommodate the given figure on the bold y-axis. Then what is the lowest value means? Here I don't have any numbers, so let me look at this one. So I see that -16, right? Therefore, the lowest value is -16. And what is the highest value means, that I need not tell you, it's going on and on and on. Therefore, this is going to be positive infinity. And again, while writing the range values, there are high chances of making this mistake. Please remember, I know some students they write this one positive infinity first, followed by -16, which is not correct, because always we have to write the numbers from the smallest to the largest. I mean to say that that is in ascending order. Okay, so this is absolutely wrong, or it is not correct. So what is the right order means, we write -16, which is the smallest one first, followed by the largest one, which is the positive value. This is the range. A quick review: if you are asked to find the domain and range, domain means all the x values. Draw a fat or bold x axis and try to accommodate the given shape as it is. You know what is the starting as the lowest value and what is the highest value as the ending one. So both this is negative infinity and this one is positive infinity. Likewise, range means the set of y values. So let me draw a bold y axis, then try to accommodate the given figure here. I don't see any arrow marks at the bottom, so I'm looking for the number. Then what are those numbers means it is -16. What is the highest value means it keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. Therefore, it is a positive infinity. That's going to be the range. Okay. Now, do you have any questions?